Good morning, everyone. So today we'll be having a little party in the house. I'll be celebrating my birthday with some family and friends, close family and friends. But I feel emotional because I'll be killing 2 of my chickens, and I feel so bad that they're going to die today. We've already fed them this morning. This is their house. This is their house. Yeah, outside, my friend. I said outside. I'll be inside. Look at them. They've given them food already this morning. I don't know why they are just acting the way. These fowls are never bellyful. So today we're going to have a lot of people come by. Not a lot, let's just say about 25 persons will be coming by. As you can see, Mary is even getting ready for the cooking. She's firewood that they are going to use. Mary, who gave you this job that you're doing this early morning? You say you should do it. You want to do it? Huh. Okay. So she's breaking firewood, and they've not even brought the igberi we used to make the fire. So you know this big stuff that they use. I don't know what they call it in English, but this is, you know, my mom, she's already a chef, so she'll be using this pot. But this is one that we have here, and I'm not sure this small one we carry. So this everywhere is already swept and looking clean, but this is the place that they will be cooking.